We've all been there. You're trying to get some hard-earned sleep, but your kid is wide awake and making it very difficult. You need help. Introducing Mela, the all-in-one children's clock designed to keep your kid in bed longer. Mela is an alarm clock, sleep trainer, sleep sound machine, nightlight and nap timer rolled into one adorable package. Mela goes to sleep when your kid goes to sleep. Set the desired sleep time, and Mela will do the rest. Mela lets your kid know when it's almost time to get up. When Mela turns green, it's time to wake up. By using a combination of facial expressions and bright colors, Mela teaches your kid when it's time for bed and when it's okay to wake up. Choose from a variety of nightlight color options and sleep sounds to create the optimal bedtime environment for your child. Mela doesn't just help your family sleep better at night. Mela's timer feature comes in handy for those midday naps, timeouts, and other timed play activities. With Mela, you can provide a healthy, comfortable bedtime environment for your child while teaching good sleeping habits. Mela, brought to you by Little Hippo. Parenthood just got easier.
Say hello to Echo Dot, a compact speaker that's controlled by your voice and Alexa. It's got a new look and a new speaker with improved sound. It's designed to fit almost anywhere, like your bedroom, the kitchen, or your desk, and can play all your favorite music from all your favorite places. Alexa, play music for studying.
Here's a station you might like.
Alexa, start my day. With Alexa routines, it's easy to turn on the lights, turn up the heat, and more with a single command. Alexa can also check your schedule, get you caught up, and keep dinner on track. Alexa, set a pasta timer for 12 minutes.
Pasta timer for 12 minutes, starting now.
Best of all, Echo Dot and Alexa are always getting smarter and adding new features and skills. Echo Dot from Amazon.
Meet Echo Spot,
Hi there.
a compact Echo with a screen that can show you the time, the news, your music, and a whole lot more. With Echo Spot, you can customize Alexa to help you rise and shine.
Alexa, good morning.
Up and at 'em, Tiger. It's 45 degrees with partly cloudy skies. Here's your flash briefing.
Start your day with a forecast, commute times, or the latest trending news. Staying in touch is simple. Call just about anyone hands-free, or make video calls to family and friends with an Echo Spot, Echo Show, or the Alexa app.
Alexa, call Jess.
Calling Jess.
Hey, what's up?
Hey,
Is everything okay?
Just ask to play music from Spotify, Pandora, Amazon Music, and more.
Alexa, play Emily King.
Shuffling songs by Emily King.
Listen through the built-in speaker, or for even more sound, connect Echo Spot to your external or Bluetooth speakers.
Alexa, turn it up.
Echo Spot works with compatible smart devices to set the temperature, turn on the lights, or check in on the little one.
Alexa, show me the nursery.
Okay.
And with the adjustable stand sold separately, you can see everything from the perfect angle.
Good night, little guy.
With tens of thousands of skills and counting, Alexa is always getting smarter, and so will Echo Spot.
Alexa, good night.
Sleep tight.
Echo Spot from Amazon.
We've all been there. You're trying to get some hard-earned sleep, but your kid is wide awake and making it very difficult. You need help.